Uy, tuloy-tuloy ang labas ni Honor. Right now, hawak natin is the Honor X8c. This is a combination between performance and durability. Perfect sa mga young professional and students. One thing na nagustuhan ko dito is malaki ang kanyang storage at 512 gigs of storage. Meron din siyang 108MP na night camera plus OIS. AI eraser, meron din dito sa phone na ito. And more details after this quick intro. Now ito si Honor X8c na may 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage is currently priced at $13,999 and I'll post the link on the description box below. One of the things na nagustuhan ko dito sa kanya is sobrang gaan. At 174 grams, it's definitely one of the lightweight na phone na nahawakan ko for 2025. And ang ganda rin ng kanyang pagka-chic design dito. Perfect na perfect for mga young professional and students. And ang kanyang camera setup is undeniably looking like an iPhone na may extra isang mata. Matte finish ang kanyang likod, so hindi siya fingerprint smudgy. Except ang kanyang side frames is shiny, so punas ka ng punas. Medyo manipis naman siya at 7mm ang kanyang thickness. And pinagmamalaki din ni Honor na this one has a water resistance plus drop resistance. But di ko sinasabi na subukan nyo sa bahay. Ang water and dust resistant rating niya is IP64 rated and this phone can withstand drop up to 1.8 meters. Now, probably you might be surprised with yung chip na ginamit na dito. It's the ever reliable, ever overly used na Snapdragon 685. And di ko na-expect in year 2025, meron pang Snapdragon 685 to my surprise. And nung nirate ko sa Antutu benchmark, it gave me a 340,000 points. Ito ang breakdown score na binigay sa akin. Ito nakuha ko sa CPU benchmarking na Geekbench. Ito naman sa kanyang GPU benchmark. 141 ang kanyang loop score with a 90% stability sa Wildlife Extreme. And okay lang kanyang thermals and it throttled to 76% ng kanyang best performance. Now, this phone is rocking a 5,000 mAh na battery. This one supports a 35 watts na Honor Supercharge. So, charging from 0 to 100 takes you around mga 1.5 hours to near 2 hours just to complete the full charging cycle. And okay, makunat naman ka ng battery. Can last you the full day without even charging. Basta, normal usage, wala kang maging problema sa phone na ito dahil matipid naman siya sa battery. And nung sinalang ko siya sa PC Mark na battery stress test, it gave me a 14 hours and 30 minutes na screen on time. Based sa 50% brightness and 60 Hz na screen refresh rate. Now, one of the things na magugustuhan mo rin naman dito sa kanya is that this one sports a AMOLED display. Ang kanyang screen size, 6.7 inch with 120 Hz screen refresh rate, maximum brightness at 2,800 nits, and meron din siyang 3,840 Hz na PWM dimming display. So, meaning protected yung mata kahit matagal mong gamit yung smartphone na ito. Swiping sa social media, swipe ka lang ng swipe, mapapansin mo, smooth naman tong phone na ito. Despite its price point being very budget friendly, wala kang magiging problema naman dito sa kanyang performance. Facebook, TikTok, and sa Instagram, wala kang maging problema. Smooth na maging experience mo dito. And if you're watching videos naman dito on HD format, be it sa YouTube or sa Netflix, expect to give you a really good time watching on this phone. Now, one of the things na napansin ko dito sa kanya is that isa lang ang kanyang loudspeaker dito sa ilalim. But this one can max out up to 200% ng kanyang volume. So right now, i-test lang natin, sagad lang natin kanyang volume. Honestly, not bad ang ganang sound Medyo average and a little bit above average pero definitely malayo sa mga sounds sa mga flagship phone. But for me, quite loud na siya at 200% ng kanang volume. Na naglaro tayo ng tatlong games dito sa phone na Honor of Kings, Call of Duty Mobile, and Farlight 84. Pagdating sa Honor of Kings, wala kang maging problema dito kahit mag-clash kayo at a certain point. Okay naman, optimize naman ang Snapdragon 685 dito sa Honor of Kings. Playing 2 rank matches dito sa kanya, I was able to win both games and honestly, natuwa naman ako sa gameplay dito. Quite smooth naman siya, wala kang maging problema. And pinakamainit na inabot lang niya is just 39 degrees Celsius. Pagdating naman sa Call of Duty Mobile, sinagad ko ang kanyang refresh rate and pinaka-lowest ang kanyang graphical settings. Okay, very smooth naman ang gameplay ko dito. I didn't have any problem along the way. So, definitely, if you're playing Call of Duty Mobile on this phone, ma-enjoy mo rin siya. The touch response is definitely fast, wala kang maging problema. The sound is good, except that it's just coming out from one side. Hindi dalawang side may sound. So if you're trying to listen to footsteps, hindi mo siya madidistinguish kung kaliwa o kanan. And pinakamainit na inabot niya dito after 30 minutes is just 41 degrees Celsius. Pagdating naman sa Farlight 84, equally said, wala kang maging problema din dito sa kanya, except that siguro there's just a minor frame drops along the way. Hindi mo rin naman siya masasagad to its highest graphical settings. Probably ma-enjoy mo lang dito at the low graphical settings. Pero one good thing naman sa low graphical settings is that smooth naman ng aking gameplay. And the touch response was pretty much okay for me. Pinakamainit na inabot niya after 30 minutes of gameplay is 41 degrees Celsius. Now, pag-usapan natin ang camera dito. This one has a 108MP na main camera sensor as well as a 5MP na ultra-wide lens. This one can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. And ang kanyang front-facing camera is a whooping 50MP camera sensor which can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. Well, honestly, ang sabi ni Honor, this is a phone that is designed for students and young professional. So this is a combination between performance and durability. And let's just simply check out some outdoor shot. Honestly, I'm quite surprised with some of the shot na nakuha natin from the outdoor. No? Very nice, vibrant ang mga shots na nakuha natin. Except that medyo may pagka-OA lang kanya, pagka-saturation. If you're looking at blues and greens, makita mo on this single photo, the blues is bluer, the green is definitely greener. But there are times naman na if you take some simple shot like this one, mga tall building shot, okay naman. Hindi naman sobrang OA ang pagka-green ng mga dahon dito and yung kanyang sky. Now, if you're just simply panning around, taking a look at the vicinity, you'll be able to get some nice shot din naman from this camera. Taking a quick shot ng mga flowers, you'll be able to get some sharp photos as well as sa mga trees and plants, okay din naman kanyang shot. And this photo is also chill lang naman pag tinitingnan natin. Now, if you go indoor and low light, pag kumuha ka naman ng mga food shot, you'll be able to get some nice snaps naman from this phone. Taking some bread shot din and makita mo no, na may details naman lang akong makaka-capture doon sa mga grated cheese na naka-spreads on top of the bread. Equally said din dito, except na medyo a bit saturated na kanyang pagka-orange. Talagang mapapansin mo yung pagka-saturation ng kanyang camera. Taking a look at some of these tomatoes, talagang mas red siya than what I see with my naked eye. This shot is not so bad. And some of this shot is really looking good naman for me. Now, itong shot na ito looks quite good, focusing on a LED light. And some of this colored na pastilla shot is looking quite good. Mga gowns na ito, okay din naman. I would say na I can still see some details when I zoom it in. Kahit din dito sa shot na ito. And this is another one of my favorite shot na. Maganda ka na pagka-focus dito sa heart plus yun sa kanya ilaw. Now, one thing that amazed me is yung ganang front-facing camera. This phone strikes a balance between gaming and camera. And honestly, mas na-impress ako sa kanyang front-facing camera compared sa kanyang rear camera. And the front-facing camera was able to take me some really nice shot. And honestly, I would tell you na maganda tong mga photos na nakukuha ko on outdoors. And maganda i-post siya sa mga Instagram. Now, taking a quick look naman sa indoor, medyo a little bit smudgier kasi you know na medyo pag low light, alam mo mga camera medyo mag-underperform. But still, was able to take some of this nice shot. Pag hindi mo zoom, hindi mo mapapansin na medyo nag-smooth din siya, no? Pero if you're able to get some good lighting on indoor, you'll be able to get as good as a shot na nakuha natin from the outdoor. Now, taking a quick vlog naman using the front-facing camera, medyo shaky siya, pero honestly, I'm impressed with yung kanyang resolution for its price point. And taking a look naman sa kanyang rear camera, smooth naman siya. To my surprise, I wasn't really expecting na quite smooth ang video from the rear camera. And the resolution is quite good din. Now guys, honestly, na-surprise ako sa camera performance nito phone nito. I wasn't really expecting it to be this good. Except na siguro sa video recording capability, mabibiti ka at 1080p and 30fps. Pero pagdating sa taking photos, this camera can definitely perform. Pagdating sa gaming, mga ML, CODM, and siguro mga sila Honor of Kings, wala kang maging problema dito. I'm pretty sure mahirapan ka if you're trying to play mga AAA games. Other than being tough, this phone is definitely lightweight and madali siyang bitbitin anywhere, anytime. So kayo, convince kayo sa Honor X8c? Let me know in the comments. If kung gusto niyo malaman kung saan niyo pwede mabili ito, link on the description. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click na dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.